School of Art at IIC offers an array of art courses across multifarious disciplines and specializations. Animation program at School of Art has launched manual skill-based courses like drawing, figure drawing for animation, gesture drawing, concept art, and script writing with reference to the art and design history and theory. On the other hand, it offers technology-based courses like digital tools, 2D and 3D animation techniques, rigging, skinning, texturing, modeling, character design in 3D softwares, and digital painting in 2D softwares like Photoshop and Sketchbook Pro. So students are able to produce their original thesis projects with copyrights. Our graduated students of animation design program at School of Art has secured their professional positions in multinational platforms and companies like Frag Studios, Mizo Studios, and Vakra Animation Studio. And also some of them has appointed as lecturer in different art and design universities. IC has signed MOU with RUBIKA, School of Art, Animation and Game Design last year. So it has a unique program for Pakistani students that we are offering to be a part of RUBIKA summer camp in France. And students has no liability to pay any expensive because it's totally funded and sponsored. School of Art has also partnered with the Louvre Museum to develop a classic game and animation on inspired by Mughal art and history. And the partnership between three prominent bodies like IIC, RUBIKA and the Louvre Museum, it has combined and gathered together to give immense benefit to the students of IIC, faculty, and Pakistani animation and game industry on a global surface. I encourage all the young students who are seeking to take admission in any art and design university to come over here at IIC and be a part of School of Art.